For a big family kitchen project, choose a pro range with a double oven or 2 wall ovens to handle large roasts and multiple dishes without slowing service. Select a 48-inch professional range when you need simultaneous high capacity and continuous heavy use, because it typically offers multiple oven cavities and 6 or more high-output burners that reach and maintain consistent temperatures for large cuts of meat and multiple casseroles. Prioritize a double oven configuration that separates bake and roast functions so you can run long, low cooks and high-temperature bakes at the same time without flavor transfer. Size the ventilation hood to match the range output and cooktop British thermal unit equivalent by selecting a hood rated for the correct cubic feet per minute value and installing it at the manufacturer recommended height to capture. Grease and heat. If you prefer 2 wall ovens, plan cabinet and structural framing to support their combined weight and allow proper clearances for door swing and service access. Upgrade the gas line or electrical service before installation if the new equipment's required supply exceeds the existing capacity, and consult a licensed mechanical contractor to confirm pressure and breaker sizing. Add warming drawers or a low heat drawer below the oven to keep finished dishes at serving temperature while you finish plating and staging. Common problems start with underpowered ventilation, which leaves heat and smoke hanging in the kitchen. So resolve that by sizing the hood for the full output, and confirming duct layout minimizes turns and uses smooth metal ducting. Another frequent issue is insufficient utility capacity, so avoid last-minute delays by having a professional inspect and upgrade gas piping or electrical panels during the design phase. A third problem is poor workflow when appliances are placed without regard to staging and traffic. So place ovens near prep surfaces and the service zone, provide landing areas for hot trays, and include pull-out shelves or warming drawers to streamline plating. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like installing professional double ovens or 48-inch ranges, helping us find local pros, and helping contractors find new work and opportunities. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share practical tips, measurements, and real-world installation notes to help plan successful large-format cooking projects.